In this video, we will be reviewing another two types of factoring you see in Math 1201 that again are important in Math 2201. Looking at the example A. Example A, we have 5n squared minus 30n plus 40. Once again, a good strategy when trying to factor any trinomial or any polynomial is to see if there is a greatest common factor that can be removed from each term prior to trying some other type of factoring. So if I look here and I see 5, 30, and 40, I can see that I would be able to factor 5 out of all three terms. If I factor 5 out of the first term, I have n squared left. If I divide 30 by 5, that gives me 6n left. And if I divide 40 by 5, that gives me 8. I don't stop there. After I factor the 5 out, I look then inside the bracket to see what type of factoring it may have to do. And inside I see n squared minus 6n plus 8. This looks to me to be product and sum. So I'm looking for two numbers that multiply to give me 8, or that add to give me negative 6. So looking at this, I've got 5, and two numbers that add to give me negative 6 but multiply to give me 8 would be 2 and 4 if both terms were negative. So I have n subtract 2, and n subtract 4. To write this at the end to make it a little bit neater, you'll notice that the 5 stays with the answer the whole way, and also that all parts are written as a multiplication statement with an equal sign in front, as it is equivalent to the beginning trinomial. Taking the same approach in the second problem, I can see both terms are divisible by 2. Dividing both by 2, I have 25 minus x squared that's left in the bracket after I factor 2 out. So again, looking and seeing what type of factoring this is, I see 25, that's a perfect square. X squared is also a perfect square. So I have 5 minus x and 5 plus x. Again, writing all three together as a multiplication statement because it needs to be equivalent to what I started with.